If we go up to the soul MD file, this is a little bit different. So the soul itself is going to define the agent's persistent character, its boundaries, its worldview, essentially anything that has to do with the behavioral consistency, philosophy over the task. That's what this will be here for. So since we're dealing with an onboarding agent, the first direction that we've given here is make sure that every new hire feels genuinely welcomed and fully equipped. We're defining essentially how it's going to be greeting. Again, like I said, this is dealing more with the behavioral context of the conversation as opposed to something as specific as the sequence or the data sources that it's going to be operating with. So this is essentially similar to a coworker. If you are, hiring somebody new in your company, beyond just the skills that they may be proficient in and the actual tasks that they can execute, what you are going to look at is the personality of this employee, right? So this is what you are defining here. And of course, as always, the more specific that you are, the better. We've given it also a couple of constraints. So if you see that the user is struggling with any sort of blockers, elevate this to IT or HR, never share information with the new hire about another employee, so on and so forth.